This is the Prince. Waikiki. The Prince. Waikiki, where we're gonna go and try the 100 Sails buffet in this hotel, so called. So we'll see what it looks like. Okay. So I am going up. We're gonna try and find the 7 Sails restaurant. It's the 100 Sail. That's the name of this. 100 Sails. And it's right by the marina here. Wow, there's the view from the 7 Sails. And we're gonna get the buffet, right, Drea?
Yeah.
Okay. Some menus. So it is July 14th. So we have July 14th 2 days in a row. We crossed the date line and we're having July 14th again here at 7 Sails for the second sunset in one day. So there are the 100 Sails, and Julia's got the crab legs with drawn butter here at the 100 Sails restaurant, Honolulu. And see what it tastes like. It's delicious. Delicious clam chowder. So there's the prime rib. Wow, looks good. Some kind of greens. Wow. 100 Sails. How you doing with those crab legs, all right? I got a prime rib and some oysters. Scallops, shrimp, and oysters. That's right, the oysters. So I got the crab legs and some shrimp and some fried oysters, some drawn butter. So I'm gonna try the fried oyster and see what that tastes like. Everything so far has been good. It's been pretty tasty. So let's see. Wow. It tastes oystery. How's yours? So would you come back here to the 100 Sails?
For $50.
There's the crab legs. There's crab legs. Alright, so we just had a fine buffet. 2 buffets came out to $187 without the tip. That included a beer though, but the coffee was no extra charge. So all in all, it was pretty good. Quality was excellent. Crab legs, the roast beef, prime rib, it's all great. Here at the Prince Waikiki Hotel, Honolulu. Another fine meal. Now we're gonna stuff. We have to walk it off.